These are the elevators at the medical office building at Jefferson Hospital in Jefferson Hills, Pennsylvania. These are actually Westminster Monitors by Otis with Innovation Universal. I think they had a Lens Adams intermediate low in the late 90s. Here's the right car, the center opening car. Number one, here we go. Weird sensor. This is from 1978. I think there's another elevator here. I don't know if there's another here one. Oh, door closed and press the button. That's interesting. Here we go. Number 3. And door closes when you press the button again. I wonder if it's on pixel. It's a basic night street on cab with LED pot lighting. Other cabs, Tree Street Hospital size. This one's a regular center opening. Back at 3. This building is on a hill. This whole area is a hill. Jefferson Hills. Makes sense. Floor plan out to see what the third one is. Sensors are flashing. What goes on from there?